Some wounds don't show on the outside. You can smile, go to work, talk to people, and still carry a pain that nobody knows about. You can tell everyone that you are okay while quietly wondering when your heart will finally feel peaceful again. Maybe something happened that changed you. Maybe someone you trusted hurt you. Maybe a relationship ended differently than you hoped. Maybe you made a mistake that you still regret. Or maybe you have been carrying a disappointment for so long that you have forgotten what it feels like to live without it. But today, you don't have to hide that pain from God. You can bring the part of your heart that still hurts directly to Him. Heavenly Father, I come before you this morning with the parts of my heart that I have tried to keep hidden. You already know where I am hurting. You know the memories that still affect me, the words I still remember, and the situations I wish I could change. Lord, I don't want to pretend that everything is fine when you already know the truth. So today, I bring my heart to you exactly as it is. Father, there are some things I cannot fix. I cannot change yesterday. I cannot change another person's choices. I cannot undo words that were spoken or moments that have already passed. I cannot force someone to understand me, love me, apologize to me, or remain in my life. But Lord, I can place all of these things into your hands. And that is what I choose to do today. Father, heal what I cannot fix. Heal the disappointment that I still carry. Heal the sadness I sometimes hide behind a smile. Heal the fear that came from being hurt before. Heal the part of me that became afraid to trust again. Lord, your word says in Psalm 147:3, He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. I hold on to that promise today. I may not know how healing will happen, but I believe you can reach places inside me that nobody else can reach. Father, if my heart has become tired from carrying the same pain again and again, give me permission to release it. Help me stop replaying old conversations in my mind. Help me stop wondering what I could have done differently. Help me stop punishing myself for things I cannot change. Give me wisdom to learn from the past without living inside it. Lord, sometimes I wish I could go back and make different choices. I wish I had recognized certain people sooner. I wish I had spoken differently. I wish I had walked away earlier. I wish certain doors had never opened. But Father, I cannot rewrite yesterday. So help me trust you with what comes after it. Let my past teach me without controlling me. Let my mistakes give me wisdom without stealing my hope. Father, I pray for the person listening right now who is carrying a hidden heartbreak. Maybe nobody knows how deeply they were hurt. Maybe they have continued with life because they had no other choice. They went to work, took care of their family, answered messages, smiled at people, and kept moving. But inside, they are exhausted. Lord, meet them there. Let them know that you see what others cannot see. You see every tear that was never explained. You see every night they struggled to sleep. You see every moment when they wanted to give up, but still got up the next morning. Give them comfort today. Give them strength to continue healing. Father, help me understand that healing does not always mean forgetting. Sometimes healing means remembering without feeling destroyed by the memory. Sometimes healing means being able to think about the past without allowing it to control the present. Sometimes healing means forgiving someone, and sometimes it means accepting that I need distance from them. Lord, give me wisdom to know what healing looks like in my situation. Father, if there is someone I need to forgive, help me release them from the anger I have been carrying. I don't want their actions to control my peace anymore. Forgiveness does not mean that what happened was right. It means I am choosing not to allow yesterday to own tomorrow. Lord, Help me forgive without returning to what hurt me. Help me love without ignoring wisdom. Help me have compassion without forgetting healthy boundaries. Father, if I need to forgive myself, help me do that too. Sometimes I have asked you for forgiveness, but I continue punishing myself for the same mistake. Lord, if you have given me grace, help me receive it. Teach me that I can regret something without allowing regret to become my identity. I made mistakes, but I am not my mistakes. I experienced pain, but I am not defined by my pain. Father, I pray for families that are hurting today. Some homes look peaceful from the outside, but are filled with silent tension. Some family members are not speaking to each other. Some people are carrying anger that has lasted for years. Lord, bring wisdom into those situations. Soften hearts where they can be softened. Give courage to those who need to apologize. Give patience to those who need to listen. And where reconciliation is possible, make a way for it. Lord, I also pray for the person who is grieving something they cannot explain. Maybe they are grieving a person, a relationship, a dream, an opportunity, or a version of life they thought they would have. Father, remind them that grief does not mean they are weak. Give them permission to heal at their own pace. Help them find moments of peace, even while their heart is still learning how to move forward. Lord, sometimes pain changes the way we see everything. After being disappointed, we expect disappointment. After being rejected, we expect rejection. After being betrayed, we find it difficult to trust. Father, don't allow my past experiences to become predictions about my future. Teach me to believe that tomorrow can be different from yesterday. Give me courage to hope again. Give me courage to love again. Give me courage to believe that something good can still exist in my life. Father, protect my heart from bitterness. I don't want to become someone who is so focused on what went wrong that I cannot recognize what is going right. Help me notice the blessings you have already placed around me. Help me appreciate the people who genuinely love me. Help me recognize the opportunities you are giving me. Help me be grateful for another morning and another chance to begin again. Lord, if there is something in my life that I cannot repair, teach me how to surrender it. Maybe I have been trying to control another person's decision. Maybe I have been trying to force a relationship to become what it used to be. Maybe I have been trying to make an old dream happen, even though the circumstances have changed. Father, help me release what I cannot control. I don't want to spend another year fighting for something you may be asking me to place down. Give me peace when I let go. Give me faith when I don't know what comes next. Lord, heal my relationship with myself. Help me stop speaking to myself with words I would never speak to someone I love. When I fail, teach me to correct myself without destroying myself. When I fall, teach me to get back up. When I feel weak, remind me that weakness does not make me worthless. Father, give me a heart that is patient with the process. I know healing may not happen overnight. Some wounds took years to develop, and I may need time to recover. So give me patience with myself. Help me celebrate small changes. Help me recognize when I am becoming stronger, even if I still have difficult days. Lord, I pray for someone who woke up today feeling emotionally exhausted. They may not need another person telling them to be strong. They may simply need to know that they are allowed to rest in your presence. So, Father, give them rest. Give them a quiet heart. Give them a moment today when they can breathe without feeling like they have to solve everything. Lord, when painful thoughts return, remind me that I can bring them back to you. When memories become heavy, help me pray instead of replaying them. When fear returns, help me choose truth instead of assuming the worst. When loneliness comes, remind me that your presence is not limited by what I can see. Father, I also ask you to heal the dreams that have been damaged by disappointment. Maybe I stopped believing in myself because something failed. Maybe someone told me I wasn't capable. Maybe rejection made me afraid to try again. Lord, restore my courage. Help me understand that one rejection does not determine my worth. One failure does not determine my future. One closed door does not mean every door will remain closed. Father, if there is a new chapter ahead, prepare my heart for it. Don't allow me to carry old wounds into new opportunities. Help me enter the future with wisdom instead of fear. Lord, I surrender my past, but I also surrender my future. I don't know what relationships will remain, what opportunities will appear, or what changes are coming. But I know I can trust you one step at a time. Father, let this morning become a turning point in my heart. I may not forget everything that happened, but I can choose not to let it control me anymore. I can choose peace. I can choose forgiveness. I can choose hope. I can choose to believe that you are still writing my story. Lord, when I feel like nothing is changing, remind me that healing can happen quietly. Sometimes the first sign of healing is not that the situation changes, but that my heart begins responding differently. Maybe yesterday I reacted with anger, but today I choose peace. Maybe yesterday I was consumed by fear, but today I choose faith. Maybe yesterday I blamed myself, but today I choose grace. Father, help me recognize those small victories. Thank you for every step forward, even the ones nobody else can see. Lord, I place every painful memory into your hands. I place every difficult relationship into your hands. I place every regret into your hands. I place every disappointment, every unanswered question, every broken dream, and every fear about the future into your hands. I cannot carry them forever, and I don't want to. Father, take what I cannot fix and heal what I cannot reach. Give me the strength to do my part and the wisdom to surrender the rest. As I move into this day, help me carry peace instead of bitterness. Help me speak with kindness. Help me respond with patience. Help me recognize when I need to walk away from something unhealthy. And help me recognize when I need to stay and work toward restoration. Lord, I don't ask for a perfect life. I ask for a heart that is becoming whole again, a heart that can trust again, a heart that can love again, a heart that can hope again. Father, thank you for not giving up on me during the seasons when I struggled to believe in myself. Thank you for staying close when I felt distant. Thank you for giving me another morning when I thought yesterday had taken everything from me. Today, I choose to begin again. I choose to stop carrying what belongs in your hands. I choose to believe that healing is possible. And if you are listening to this prayer right now, remember this. You may not be able to fix everything that happened to you, but you don't have to heal alone. God sees the wound you hide from everyone else. Give it to Him. Let Him begin restoring the part of you that has been hurting for too long. Take this prayer with you today. Don't rush the healing. Don't return to what keeps breaking your peace. Don't allow your past to tell you that your future cannot be beautiful. God is still with you, and the pain you carry today does not have to become the story you live forever.